So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Towers, Centera in Mandaluyong to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, this is the unit. Approximately 36 square meters, 1 bedroom, and this is around 5.2 million for bidding. So, yung details ng property, ilalagay ko na lang po dito sa video, paki-check na lang. So, as you can see, ayan po yung bathroom niya, very spacious. The unit is actually in good condition, good as brand new. Mukhang hindi po siya natirhan. And this is the living area. Ang ganda ng view, facing swimming pool or the amenity area. And then yung kitchen niya, pagpasok nyo, ayan. So, intact pa lahat ng cabinets over and under. And then ito yung bedroom niya. Amoy pintura pa. Meron tayong aircon provision and same view. Facing amenities. So this is as is where is upon turnover. And this is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So this is Avida Towers, Centera. Tower 1, 10th floor lang po tayo. So if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make a bid, please message us directly. Yung gym nila. So this is the amenity area. Meron tayong landscape garden, and then tawag dito is outdoor gym. And then swimming pool area niya. Adult, kiddie pool, lap pool. Ayan. Generous din siya sa swimming pool.